So people think I'm crazy for moving to Jamaica, but let me tell you why staying in America was not an option for me in 2024. America was killing my vibe, and I refused to live my life based on other people's expectations, and that includes my family. Yep, I said it. Staying in the States felt like slow suffocation and the unrealistic hustle culture. I did that for the past 15 years, and I just couldn't do it no more. Living for everyone else's expectations was no longer my style. It was time to switch it up and put my peace first. It was all about finding myself, trusting myself, and letting go of all the old noise that was holding me back. When I landed in Jamaica, I knew I was about to face some wild ass challenges though, and I was right. Learning to navigate the local customs, finding reliable connections, and keeping my business running remotely was like being thrown into the deep end. But here's the kicker. So where's the barrel? Excuse me. Being on my own pushed me to level up in ways that I didn't even know I could. I couldn't wait around for someone else to save me or give me the answers, and it was all on me. And honestly, that pressure is where I started realizing just how much I really could handle. And if I'm being completely honest, like y'all know I always like to keep it 100. I had to face parts about myself that I've been avoiding for years, embrace uncomfortable truths about myself and the people around me, and let go of this idea that I had to be strong all the time or that I had it all together. Independence is not about being alone, it's about understanding what you need to thrive and being brave enough to demand it. It's all about stepping outside of the noise, creating boundaries and protecting your peace at all costs, even when people call you crazy for it. So, yeah, people thought I was running away or making a drastic move for the sake of it. But the truth is, sometimes you have to walk away from the noise to hear your own voice again. You have to leave an environment that keeps you boxed in and find a place where you can breathe, grow, and redefine yourself on your own terms. And listen, if you're struggling to find that space for yourself, it doesn't mean that you're failing. It means that you're waking up to the fact that you deserve more. So whatever Jamaica looks like for you, go and find it. And remember, it's okay if not everyone understands your journey. You're not doing this for them, you're doing it for you. But this isn't where the journey ends. In part two, I'm diving into something that's been really game changing for me as a digital entrepreneur, geo arbitrage. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, to be honest, but it's not just about living in a new place, it's about making smart money moves and leveraging the currency differences. Like, I'm earning USD while living here in Jamaica, and that means my money stretches so much further. Honestly, it's been one of the best decisions for my business and my peace of mind, because why would I choose to become an entrepreneur at this time in 2024? Why would I choose now? But anyways, if you're interested in making a similar move or you're just curious about how all this works, make sure you follow and subscribe for part 2. Good morning. It is August 3rd. It's Sir's birthday, and we're headed off to Jamaica. Honestly, I haven't been in the best mental headspace. But yeah, today is the day. So last time I was moving to Jamaica, I didn't have this much stuff. So yeah, this is going to be interesting to say the least. I'm about to show y'all how much stuff I got. And this is not even a lot for somebody that's moving, to be honest. But here we go. All of these bags plus that TV. So yeah, I am just waiting on my cousins to come pick me up now. And then yeah, go from there. I will catch up with y'all at the airport. Happy birthday to you. This one is mine. Thank you. Say hi, happy birthday. Okay.